इंडिया में 99.9 पिन कोड्स में प्रेजेंस है थ्रू आर डायरेक्ट नेटवर्क और थ्रू आर इनडायरेक्ट नेटवर्क। एंड आई थिंक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि जैसे हमने अपनी पीडब्ल्यूडी के साथ जो जर्नी शुरू की, नॉट ओनली हायरिंग बट रिटेनिंग एंड डेवलपिंग दिस टैलेंट, वी हैव ऑल्सो रियलाइज कि बहुत सारे रोल्स ऐसे हैं अमेजोन में विच कैन बी डन वर्चुअली। उसके लिए आपको एक ऑफिस में आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, या आपको एक फिज़िकली मोबिलिटी को कंसिडर करते हुए वो कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं। और अभी जो एक प्रोजेक्ट हम सार्थक के साथ कर रहे हैं, ये प्रोग्राम का नाम है एमर्ज। हमें ऐसा रियलाइज़ हुआ कि बहुत सारे स्किलिंग प्रोग्राम जो एनएसडीसी और द गवर्नमेंट इज़ रनिंग, अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट इज़ नॉट कैप्चरिंग द नीड ऑफ द कॉरपोरेट। तो फिर बहुत बार ये होता है कि आप 3-3 महीनों का ट्रेनिंग लेके आते हो, फिर आप जब अमेजोन है या कोई अदर कंपनी है उसके साथ आपको फिर से ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ता है एज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑन बोर्डिंग प्रोसेस, राइट? सो टू अवॉइड दैट एंड ऑल्सो हाउ डू वी गेट अ बेटर कन्वर्जेंस, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये होता है कि पीडब्ल्यूडी कोहर्ट के साथ उनके पास ये होप ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी या ये मेरे साथ हो सकता है या मुझे ये जॉब मिल सकता है, ये कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत कम होता है। तो लॉट ऑफ टाइम एक स्टेप लेके इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में आगे जाने के लिए दे आर नॉट रेडी। सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज दिस प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड एमर्ज। इट्स अ हायर एंड ट्रेन एंड हायर मॉडल, जहाँ पे हम ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट को सार्थक के थ्रू उनको हम ट्रेन कर रहे हैं फॉर अ जॉब प्रिपेयरनेस, and the same candidates will be hired in Amazon. This is called as a project emerge, where we are doing the train and hire model. So where we are keeping in mind our L&D perspective, because as a company we also have a very strong L&D perspective of what kind of a talent development and the skill set development we have to do, and when they are 100% ready for the job, then getting them hired in Amazon. Second is doing the mock interview, making sure that they understand the corporate ways of working, expressing their kind of needs and accommodation or any kind of a support. So this is a one program which we are already doing with Sarthak. We have just completed one batch and there is a long way to go, but this is one kind of opportunity to bring the tier 2, tier 3 youth to get a job in their own city. They don't have to come to Bangalore, they don't have to come to Delhi. From Udaipur or any small town, they can operate and they can do. We have a virtual customer service centers across India where we are having people working from their hometown. It's from a small village. Only the person need to know the basic skill set and then they're able to work on it. So that is also the one of a model which we are working on. Apart from that, we have a program called Saheli, which allows a small micro entrepreneurs to come on Amazon and sell the products on Amazon. Through Saheli program, what we do is that we reach out to the small self-help group, or even like you talked about a corporate gifting, right? Every Diwali, we have a 60,000 plus associates across India for whom we give a Diwali gift, and that gift is prepared by the small entrepreneurs, be with the PWDs or women or acid victims, and then that is given as a Diwali gift every year. It's been happening last 5 years now. And Saheli is a one program which reach out to these micro entrepreneurs, whether it's Seva or whether it's Sarthak or whether it is any other not-for-profit partner who is working with the self-help group, who is working with the PWDs. We are happy to first make them understand how the e-commerce platform work, what are the customer look for when they try to purchase from e-commerce platform, how you can sell your product not only in India but globally, and to do that what kind of tech enablement you need to have, right picturization, making sure there are enough varieties, there is enough projection given on the product, so it gives a customer ease of buying those products, and that's another program which we are running. The third part is that we are also partnering with the Sarthak and the government bodies, whether it's a DBPWD or SCPWD, to see that what are the ways we identify the district authorities where these PWDs are mapped. Most of the time what happens that today's portal like a Naukri.com and all, you don't get the talent, right? Because this is a talent which you have to scout in a very peculiar way. Most of them are not ready to come out of their hometown, or the family support is important, their own language and other things are important. So we are working with the district authorities and we are working with the NGOs, which is like 190 NGOs who are working with Sarthak. Through their network, we are trying to see that how this village level youth can get a job in their own district where we have a small delivery station, or we have a sorting station, or we have a fulfillment center. So these are the 3 initiatives through which we are making sure that there is a opportunity available not only from the livelihood but entrepreneurship manner, or if they want to do it delivery from their home, that can be also can be explored through our program called I Have a Space.